Two versions of the same small home can exist, one without planning and one beautifully organized. Does your home feel tight, messy, and hard to manage even if all the basic furniture is already there? This was the case in this small home for a family of 5, and you might be experiencing the same problem. Bulky furniture, clutter everywhere, and poor layout planning made the space feel crowded. Stay until the end to see how this home became a modern contemporary space built with smart layout planning, better storage, and the right furniture choices. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Before the redesign, this living area had some clear problems. Bulky sofas blocked circulation and the smart TV in a plain wall. In a small home for a family of 5, every area must work efficiently. The goal was to maximize seating, improve circulation, and create one clean focal wall. The walls were repainted in a warm light beige tone, reflecting both natural and artificial light to instantly brighten the space. If you have existing beige floor tiles, you can retain them as they provide a light and neutral base. Above, LED track lighting and flush mount ceiling light were installed to provide even illumination and reduce shadows throughout the day and night. The seating area is defined by wood wall cladding paired with fluted wood panels, transforming a plain wall into a strong design feature. The vertical lines add texture and visually stretch the height of the room. For seating pieces, you might consider an L-shaped gray fabric sofa. It maximizes seating while keeping pathways open, and its scale fits the compact layout. Layer the sofa with neutral throw pillows to add soft texture and provide additional comfort during longer seating periods. You can place a patterned area rug to visually anchor the seating area. It softens the tiled floor and makes the space more comfortable for everyday family use. A round upholstered ottoman improving movement flow and doubling as flexible seating. Above the seating, you might also need overhead storage cabinets because in a small home, proper storage is essential to organized seasonal items. The built-in design discreetly conceals the air conditioning unit behind the panel for seamless look. The owner requested a compact workspace, which was placed beside the seating area, so a floating desk with 2 drawers was mounted to keep the floor visible and visually light. You can pair it with ergonomic working chairs to ensure proper support during long hours of work or study. On the desk surface, essential working items should be arranged neatly, and a minimal table lamp provides focused lighting for working. You may also mount a floating shelf with underlighting to provide subtle ambiance and additional surface to place items like few books and a small frame. Hang modern black blinds to control natural light while complementing the darker accents in the room. You can add indoor plants to introduce freshness and soften the clean lines. For the entertainment area, a fluted panel feature wall with hidden doors completes the wall composition and adds depth and texture. You can mount your flat-screen TV at eye level to create a better viewing experience. A floating panel console keeps the area visually light while providing enough surface space for media items. Above, a floating shelf with underlighting displays minimalist decor, balancing the composition. The result is a living area that's thoughtfully planned to support daily life for 5 people within a limited space. The estimated total cost ranges from $3,800 to $4,000, and similar furniture pieces are tagged below if you're looking to achieve the same look. This dining area struggled with the same issue many small homes face. The table became a catch-all surface, clutter built up quickly, and circulation felt tight. In compact homes like this, the goal here was to clearly define the space, improve movement, and choose furniture that truly fits the available area. Define the dining area by a smooth vertical wall panel that adds structure to the space and creates a clean backdrop. you can now place a rectangular marble-look dining table that aligns neatly against the wall, providing enough surface area for 5 people to dine comfortably. Paired with it are black folding dining chairs that allows you to adjust or fold them when extra floor space is needed. Above the table, 3 glass pendant lights were installed. These pendant lights provide sufficient brightness for daily meals. To enhance the backdrop, a framed wall art piece was added, highlighted by a slim picture light to bring personality and visual interest to the dining zone. Now, this dining area feels proportioned and well-balanced within the compact layout. The estimated total investment ranges from $1,800 to $2,100. Look at how this kitchen felt before any planning, cramped and visually cluttered. Countertops were overloaded, storage was limited, and appliances looked scattered. The solution was to create one straight kitchen layout, keeping everything aligned along a single wall to improve workflow and make movement easier. Starting with the surface, a light quartz countertop with matching backsplash creates a seamless and clean finish. It widens the space while remaining durable enough for heavy daily cooking and food preparation. The sink area, cooktop, and preparation zone are positioned together along the same line to support a smooth working routine. Below, you can install push-to-open base cabinets in warm beige to provide concealed storage for daily kitchen essentials. Keeping storage closed prevents visual clutter and helps the small kitchen feel more organized. Above, you can use the same material for upper cabinets, but with added integrated dish rack cabinet. If you have a small space, this type of cabinetry maximizes vertical storage while keeping everything accessible. You can also add under-cabinet strip lighting to improve visibility during meal preparation. On both sides of the counter, there is still enough space to incorporate a tall side cabinet with open sections, extending the same cabinetry materials to keep the area cohesive. The upper closed storage can serve as your pantry, providing designated space for dry goods or cooking supplies. On the right side, the refrigerator is positioned to keep the layout clean and uninterrupted. Meanwhile, on the opposite end, the washing machine is integrated, allowing laundry functions without disrupting the main working space. To extend storage vertically while keeping the design visually light, you might consider adding a full-height glass door cabinet. The glass panels allow you to display neatly arranged curated items to be displayed while keeping the kitchen cohesive and balanced, a smart solution for compact spaces. So now the kitchen is designed in a one-wall straight configuration, where cooking, washing, and storage are arranged in one continuous line. Designing a small home is not about adding more. It is about planning smarter. If your compact home feels crowded or disorganized, the solution is proper layout, smart storage, and furniture scaled to your space. With the right strategy, even a small family home can feel open, calm, and fully functional. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.